Just days after the molestation of a 22-year-old girl in Frasertown, the case has taken an interesting turn. Take a look.
Pulakeshi Nagar Police Inspector absconding. In an interesting turn of events, the suspended police officer accused of dereliction of duty, Mohammad Rafi, has gone missing. This after an FIR was lodged against him. He is being charged under Section 166A of IPC. The police have launched a hunt to track the errant police officer. Meanwhile, the DCP in charge, Satish Kumar, has transferred the case to Al-Zuru Gate Police Station. A team headed by Inspector Manjunath will now look into the case. Reports claim that the case was transferred after the DCP felt that the investigations were not up to the mark. The cops have also managed to nab two more accused, Wasim and Muhammad Ali. They are currently being interrogated.
In regard to the case which was registered in Pulakeshi Nagar, we have arrested two more people today, named Wasim Khan and Sheikh Ali. We are interrogating them. Interrogation is going on. Then we are seeking the police custody of Haider Nazir also. So we want to verify some facts. So we are taking his custody also today. Most probably we will be getting it today. Then a case has been registered against Mohammad Rafi also under Section 166A of IPC, and the case will be investigated by an ACP level officer. Already the case has been given to the ACP level officer. He will investigate it.
Protesting against the incident, ABVP workers gear out Home Minister KJ George's residence. The cops intervened and dispersed the crowd before arresting a few. The cops were forced to arrest ABVP workers since they did not have the necessary permission to stage a protest. In all, the entire affair is garnering attention from the media and the society. With pressure mounting on the cops with every passing day, it now needs to be seen how quickly the police will be able to wrap the investigation and deliver justice. With Vishnu Prasad, Nabila for News 9, Bengaluru.
Well, News 9 tracked down the accused who were absconding in the Frasertown rape case, and they claimed that they were innocent and were ready to surrender to the police.
5 people have been accused in the FIR file in the Pulakeshi Nagar police station with regard to the rape of the 22-year-old girl in Frasertown. Among the 5, 3 of them have been arrested. Haider Nasir, there is Wasim and also Muhammad Ali. 2 of them are yet to be arrested. I have with me both of them here, Atiq and Imtiaz, who have been accused in the case, but they claim to be innocent. The police has not yet arrested them, only because the family are guarding them safely and saying that only unless and until they have evidence and proof and the girl comes and testifies that these are the people involved in the case, only then will the family allow them to allow the police to arrest them. Now let's ask the accused themselves how closely linked are you? How are you linked to this case? Do you really feel that this is being conspired against you? You claim to be innocent, but you have been filed. Your name has been written down in the FIR.
We doesn't have idea about it. Why they put us name in this? We doesn't have so much friendship also with them. Just we got to know our name is there. Just we went to police station and asked. They told our name is there, Atiq and Imtiaz. We asked what is the problem is, they didn't told. Just they told our name is there. Yesterday also we went, day before yesterday also tell.
You went to the police station?
We went and told to call that girl, just identify. Then whatever is there, you take the step.
So you're saying you yourself went to the police station and told the you surrendered?
We didn't surrender. Name is there, just we went, they told we'll identify, we'll call that girl, then whatever is there, we'll do the procedure, they told.
Okay, why has this happened? If you're claiming to be innocent, you yourself are going to the police station and saying, I'm here, please, give me proof before you arrest me, you should show me some proof. Is this happening? How can someone just name you in an FIR just like that? Atiq?
कल हम फोटो भी दिए उन लोग को दिखाने के, लड़की को दिखाने के लिए फोटो भी दिए, तो हमारी फोटो पेपर में डाल दिए डायरेक्ट। ऐसा हम लोग ये है करके आरोपी है करके, हम लोग आरोपी नहीं, हम लोग स्टेशन पे गए, स्टेशन के पास भी जाके आए, हम लोग आरोपी नहीं करके गए, तो भी हम लोग को नहीं हुआ। तो हम लोग फिर इधर बेंगलुरु में, हम लोग भागे नहीं बेंगलुरु से, बेंगलुरु में ही है, फोन भी आना है हम लोग का, सब हम लोग बातचीत कर रहे हैं सबको, हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं है हमारा। हम लोग करके रहते तो हम लोग बेंगलुरु छोड़ के भाग जाते थे ना, तो हम लोग नहीं गए, हम लोग इसके लिए इधर ही हम प्रूफ करेंगे। वो लड़की को बुलाओ, हम बात करेंगे लड़की के सामने।
लड़की को बुलाओ क्योंकि लड़की अब शौक में है ना, लड़की थोड़ी ना बोल सकती है। लड़की के बजाय दूसरा कोई प्रूफ है कि आप इनोसेंट हो। आप वहाँ जब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ था 12 साढ़े 12 के करीब, आप कहाँ थे तब?
अब मैं मेरे घर के पास था, फिजोटोन के पास था, मैं घर के पास मेरे, जब मेरे दोस्त लोग सब हैं, उन्हें तो बुला लेता हूँ मैं उनको भी।
सब भी विटनेस में टेस्टिफाई करेंगे क्या?
टेस्टिफाई करेंगे, मेरे दोस्त लोग भी हैं, उनके साथ में ही था मैं वो टाइम पे।
How do you know Nasir, Haider Nasir? How can he just name you just like that? How are you friends?
Some problem happened in my brother marriage. He did some girl with some East thing. Then we belted him in the marriage. For that he's taking this revenge, I think. He took my name.
How can, this is not child's play, you know that, right? It's not a joke. You can't just tell a name like that unless there must be some sort of smoke somewhere or, for a fire to burn.
Just that call that girl who have that, and boyfriend also saw, no? Her boyfriend also saw who was there. We'll go just identify, no? What is there? How can they put the name in this case?
What are you doing to secure yourself if you're claiming to be innocent? Are you doing anything from your side to make sure that, justice prevails?
Nothing. Whenever they'll call, I'll go. Now only they'll call means I'll go. I doesn't have problem. I'm in Bangalore only. I'm staying in my house only. They'll call means now only I'll go.
Can you tell me something about Haider? Who is he? What kind of person is he? If you're saying that he has molested one of your relatives in one marriage 6 months back, is he a habitual offender? ऐसे करते रहता है क्या हैदर?
हम लोग नहीं देखते हैं, उसके साथ उतना जल नहीं होते हम लोग, उसके साथ उतना घूम के भी नहीं, उतना हम लोग को जानता भी नहीं, हम लोग खाली हाई भाई की दोस्ती है, उतना ही उसके साथ।
आप प्रोफेशन क्या करते हो आप? क्या करते हो?
अब मैं थोड़ा ऐसा ही, मेरे डैडी का काम है, मैं कर लेके जाता हूँ।
क्या काम?
थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन का है।
What do you do, Imtiaz?
Car dealer, I'm.
You're a car dealer.
Yeah.
The car, the white Fabia that's been seized, the executed the crime in that particular car. Do you have any connection with that?
No. I'll not do in Indian cars. I'll do in imported cars.
You deal only with imported cars. Okay, how are you dealing with the situation? Are you having a lawyer backing you? Are you approaching any senior officials? Do you trust the police?
Yeah, I trust the police. My family is backing. My family is supporting. My friends are supporting. Everyone is supporting. My friends are supporting.
Do you think support is just enough? Don't you think you need proof to prove yourself innocent?
No.
No?
Just God is there. So much only I can tell.
ये बोल रहा है कि प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं है, हम ऐसे
तो अल्लाह के ऊपर छोड़ दिया, हम कल करके रह गए तो हमको दिखाएगा, हम नहीं करके है ना, उसके लिए हम प्रूफ करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं। अल्लाह हमारा है, देख लेगा। रमज़ान का महीना है, ये सब कुछ उसमें दिखा देगा अल्लाह। हम रोज़ा भी हैं, अभी भी आज भी रोज़ा है, क्या हम झूठ तो नहीं बोल सकते।
आप अगर पुलिस बुलाए तो स्टेशन पर चलेंगे क्या?
जाएंगे, हम जाके प्रूफ कराएंगे, उनको बोलेंगे वो लड़की को बुलाने दो, लड़के को बुलाने दो, कौन कौन थे, हम लोग जाएंगे सामने, हम लोग को देख के बोलेंगे।
आप इनोसेंट हो?
हम इनोसेंट हो।
आपकी उम्र क्या है?
मेरी 28 है।
27.
And Haider says he is 23. Is that true?
No, this is wrong.
How old is Haider?
I don't know, man.
But is he 23?
No, I don't know.
कितना होगा उसका उम्र?
It's 30.
Haider is 30.
Yeah. 29, 30.
So other than that wedding time, you have no connection.
No connection. Just he'll meet, hi, hello, so much only.
So he simply named you, you're saying. All right, thank you for speaking to us. There you go. Two of the accused, Atiq and Imtiaz, claim strongly that they are innocent and say that they are not absconding. The police know their whereabouts. The police know where they are exactly. Right now, the police know where they are. So if they want to come and arrest them, they're more than willing to surrender themselves. But only that before a strict action is taken against them, the girl and the boy, the victims of this case, must come in, recognize them and testify and pinpoint that they were the ones indeed who were involved in the crime. They claim to be innocent. Now what the police does with regard to this only remains to be seen with further investigations. With camera person Sudhakar, this is Nabila for News 9.
Bengaluru's most talked about club, the Sanctum, is celebrating its first anniversary. Take a look at the special offers being given by the club on the occasion.
Sanctum, the chic tapas bar and all-day dining resto lounge, celebrates its first anniversary by launching a new menu and an all-new dynamic events calendar. Sanctum announced the launch of its special anniversary menu with all-new Spanish cuisine.
It's a four-course meal designed by our Spanish chef Joaquim Albariel, and it's very Spanish-oriented. I think the palate of Spanish food is very close to the Indians as well, because we've got a lot of fish there. There are some nice strong herbs. Garlic is very essential to Spanish food, so I think people will like it.
The four-course menu, priced at Rs 1,400, will be available to the public from the 19th of July. So it's time to indulge yourself in some mouth-watering Spanish delicacies this weekend. A News 9 report.